Hello once again, and greetings from Japan. Yeah, it's very nice spring weather. I think we hit 18 degrees today, so it's feeling nice. So today we have another Toyota. It's a Toyota Vellfire, and it's the 3.5 Z. It's a 2011 August with 69,000 miles, which is the equivalent of 111,000 kilometers. And this is a particular one. It's a what we call a Wellcab with a lift-up seat. In other words, it's suitable for those that oops, sorry, that's Tank, the Norfolk Airedale, doing his thing. Probably seen something. Anyway, it's got the lift-up seat, which is demoed in a video on the Dropbox link. So do take a look at the Dropbox link for the demo of the lift-up seat, which comes with a remote. With these remotes, by the way, when you're using them, you've got the two arrows. It's the down one is the down arrow is for remotely moving the seat out of the car, and the up one is to put it back in. But you press the red one first, and then either of the ups or downs. So, and it comes with two remote keys. Okay, so back to the car. It's if you can't tell, it's a deep purple color. Looks like black, but it actually is deep purple, which is rather nice. And it's a Vellfire, and it comes with HID and AFS headlights, and winker mirrors, which is pretty standard on the 20 series. And this one has 18-inch factory alloys, Toyota alloys, which are nice and clean, and what look like very usable radial tires. The body is very clean. We did paint, I think, one or two of the plastic molding on the bottom of the doors. So that was the only thing it required. Otherwise, it was very clean. Okay. Again, for comprehensive pictures of the underneath, please look at the Dropbox link. Right, it's the V6 3.5 liter engine. Okay. It has a dark grey interior. Nice, clean interior, and absolutely no evidence of the car being smoked in. Does it have the extra, looks like it's got the extra cushion, no, extra headrest that goes here inside this zipper pouch here. Some come with them, some don't. Actually, it's kind of very obtrusive for the rear view mirror to have it on there. Don't know why you'd want it. Okay, it's got a standard muffler. Just all the panels are nice and straight and clean. Paint is good. And as those who are eligible for what's the word, well, handicapped vehicle, or I don't know exactly what the UK term is, but of course these vehicles can be imported duty and VAT free for those that are eligible. Okay, it does have one power door on this side, I'll just demo now. Okay, and this is the lift-up seat, which, again, please look at the Dropbox link for the video demo of that working. All right, so it has a power door on this side. That's a 2011 August Vellfire 3.5 Z with 69,000 miles. Okay, take a look. Could have done it there, but we'll take a look here. So it's a 7-seater with the this one has the sideways adjustable seats. They slide sideways to allow you more allows you to slide the seat further back, all the way back. Okay, so this one actually came with it. Oops, quite complicated to move this with holding the camera. Here we go. You can take a look in the back. So it's a little dark, but it's all clean. The carpets are all clean. Whoa. Yo. Okay. It's nice, clean interior, and as you can see, it has keyless access, or the reverse. You can lock it, or just putting your hand on it unlocks it, as long as the key is in your pocket. Nice clean door card and driver mat. These all come with front, side and curtain airbags. And that's standard on the 20 series. Alright, let's get the ignition on. Excuse me. You can see the mileage there, 111,000 kilometers. Okay, start it up. And all the warning lights are off. And this has the V6 3.5 litre engine, which is very nice to drive. Okay, you have a full set of manuals, and you might have to learn a little bit of Japanese, but anyway, as I mentioned, there's no evidence of the car being smoked in at all. And I presume it has a rear camera. Yeah, it has a rear camera with guidance. Okay, and it has cruise control right there, and it has audio and Bluetooth controls on the steering wheel, the leather and veneer steering wheel. Yeah, convenience box in the center. That's pretty much it. Usual little sunglass cubby hole. Yeah, that's about it for the interior. Nice clean dash. Alright. This one, yep, okay. It has auto lights. And let's take a look at the engine. There we go. V6 engine. Okay. Nice clean grille. This is the Vellfire, so it has a different front to the Alphard. Take your choice which you prefer. Personally, I prefer the Alphard, but it's a personal thing. It's exactly the same car, mind you. And here we have the auction sheet. Came from a JU auction. So it's HA 23 August, so it's 2011. GDH 20, 3.5 litre, auction grade 4 CC. So it's pretty typical. Not sure why it was C. I mean, it would, well, if it had been a USS auction, it would be B for sure. The A3s on there were the on the plastic moulding on the bottom of the doors, not the metal. The metal was completely clean. Completely clean. Yeah, it's a proper grade 4. JU auctions, this was from a local JU auction. Yeah, their grading is consistent and good actually for a small auction. They are good. The gradings in these auctions, as I've mentioned many times, are excuse me, very varied. I mean, some auctions are well, I won't use the word, but anyway, some are harder to trust, and some, yeah, you get to know which ones and how they work and their standards. So this is the 2011. It's the Wellcab, so it's got the wheelchair access lift-up seat for those that would find that very advantageous. Yeah, just a really nice car. So if you are interested in this, please do contact Paul at Japan Auto Agents, and he can assist you in purchasing it. And we've been very fortunate through this whole period of being able to ship cars pretty much right away, or at least within 2 or 3 weeks. So it's thankfully we've been able to move the cars off and get them to the UK. So we hope that situation is going to get even better as we move out of the pandemic. So let's hope so. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll speak again soon. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.